guys, it's me Anna and I've been doing this workout for a week and here's my before.
Simple words of mine, kill me. Let's spend the night doing some virtual aerobics. Here, watch my grapevine and my sidekick. I'm not too good, but I try my best.
And you can skip to see the after result here. But if you didn't, so
I'll probably overwear these Nikes. I'll clean them off when they get stuff. Tell me when you think they've had enough. There's no color in San Francisco. You left this at, just look around you. Being here for the first time with you, it lets me see it totally new. Yeah, you call me out like that. Yeah, you made me blush like that. I haven't been in one night, leaving doesn't feel right. We could live a life like that. I love how you move like that. I love how you kiss like. When we out together, fuck I love the weather. I get to your side like that. Side like that. Side like. I get to your side like that. Let's spend the night doing some virtual aerobics and watch my grapevine and my sidekick. I'm not too good, but I try my best. Look, I no matter what happens next. Wanna dress in what makes you like me. I'll probably overwear these Nikes. I'll clean them off when they get stuff. Tell me when you think they've had enough.
the reason that I chose this one is because it takes only 5 minutes a day and it doesn't waste my time. I can be like, just wake up and then doing this workout. And it said get toned arms in 2 weeks, but I actually did it for 1 week. But the result is so great. Let's measure it.
Kill me. Let's spend the night doing some virtual aerobics. Here, watch my grapevine and my sidekick. I'm not too good, but I try my best. Look, I no matter what happens next. Wanna dress in what makes you like me. I'll probably overwear these Nikes.
Well, for this week, I ate normally and I drink water more than 1 liter a day. And if you guys want me to do any workout, you can comment down below and I will do the before and workout. I will do the before and after videos for you guys. So yeah, just comment down below. So goodbye, have a nice day. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Goodbye.